Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. And I wanted to show you something I just got in the mail. I purchased this myself. I want to show you what this is. It's a welding soldering tip cleaner. I ordered this online, and like I said, I purchased it myself. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like and how it comes. So it comes in this box, just like this, like you see here. And this is just to clean your soldering iron, the tip of it. What's kind of cool about that, you don't need water. It helps clean the tip and it helps preserves it, which is really quite important as well. That's a brass wire sponge, let's call it. It comes in a stand. So a lot of times you don't see what they look like, so I just want to show you what they look like. It is made out of, this is metal, as you can see here. And there is the actual, the brass wire sponge basically inside here. So you need to just open this up, as you can see. This comes out of the package, just like this. And it's in this little bag. And we'll take this open. Let's open this up and show you. Reminds me almost like a Brillo, but not quite. It's made out of, I guess, copper, like they say. And it helps clean the tip of your soldering iron, especially when you're doing a lot of work on soldering. So what you want to do is just basically put it back in here and put the cover back on, just like that there. And then when you're done soldering, or when you're working with your solder, you basically just dip it inside there. And it helps keep the head clean. That's the idea behind it. When you're soldering, it just really helps just, polish it and keep it clean. And that's the idea behind something like this. So when you're doing a lot of work, you have the sponge here, you want to, get that cleaned off, you get some of the solder off. And that's pretty much how that works. What I like about it is that this is a metal housing, and a lot of them don't have metal housing. It's nice. And this is actually warm, but not too hot. And I like to do is open it back up again. I want to just make it a little bit bigger, so it fills up more of the space. So you can actually just open this up almost like this here, so you can get that little bit, fill up that void more. We'll just open that some more, and then you put it in like that. So now it kind of fills up the whole body, as you can see there. So now it's a little bit easy to access like that, and that's it. So super easy to use, super simple. Like I said, just clean your soldering iron, really easy, and absolutely love it. So I just wanted to show you. A lot of times you don't really get to see. It's a good size. It's going to fit well on my workstation, as you can see here, and I definitely recommend something like this for sure. Thanks for watching this review.